Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install VZ102171 on a 2020 Challenger SXT. The finish on the diffuser is super matted black with white trim. So the diffuser does come with self-tapping screws, bolts and nuts, and L brackets. So we're just gonna go ahead and start lifting up the car. Don't forget about our Redeye spoiler and our Redeye Vicrez, so our wide body kit and wide body Redeye wheels. We also got the quarter loopers.
Now we're gonna start removing the tabs, or 6 of them.
So now we're just gonna go ahead and place the fins on the diffuser plate so we can test it out on the rear of the cat.
Stays on the video.
So we're just placing it in place to see if we have enough clearance from it not hitting the car. You'll go ahead and align it, the curve, to the end of the bumper and your rear balance, and then the sides are gonna come out a little bit, maybe like 1/4 of an inch. And then if you can see on top, you have enough clearance for it to not hit the car. Alright, so you're gonna go ahead and place the fins wherever you will like. There's people that make an offset around right here, about 1/4 of an inch. And then if you really want to be as specific as to where you want to go, then you can measure each space. Change of plans. We decided to go on the inside to not show the brackets. So I'm just gonna pinpoint where I'm gonna make the hole. So basically, after you mark your first one, you go ahead and proceed in making the same type of holes on there after you do this one. So now wherever you place your mark, you're gonna go ahead and drill. After you make the holes, you want to place your L brackets onto the hole and make sure that it doesn't go over the line of the opening of the fin. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and mark the other fin holes. So you can use anything that's pointy. You can use a drill bit, so the self-tapping screw. You just want to press it in, and you want to get in a close-up, so you want to come over here down. You just want to press it in and mark your hole. You can proceed doing the same thing to all the other fins. Alright, so now we're just going to go ahead and assemble this part of the fin. We're just going to place the L bracket at where you made the hole. And you're going to use the bolts and nuts. Again, if we went on the other side.
We changed the design.
placements of the fins, so it could give you a better clearance to where your license plate is at. And we're also gonna add the Vicrez symbol in the middle, so it gives us enough clearance for it. The moment of the truth, if everything is cool, everything should look like this. Alright, so now we're just going to go ahead and tighten up the bolts and nuts to secure the fins in place. Alright, so we do supply self-tapping screws, but just because the customer requested us to go ahead and use bolts and nuts, we're gonna go ahead and replace it with these bolts and nuts. And then we're gonna be pre-using the holes you already have made on your car to hold the rear diffuser. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Vicrez symbol as my center. And then if you see on the rear diffuser, there's like a little tab right here, like broken tab. And then I'm just gonna use that as my guidance for the middle. And now we're gonna drill a hole here, 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 and here. So we're gonna go ahead and use the Vicrez symbol as our center, and then I don't know if you can see it, there's like a broken tab, usually the residue of your mold on the rear balance. And then we're gonna mark our holes. You use a marker, you guys use something to poke it through, like for example Franco.
You use any sharp object or the drill that you use to make the hole. There you go. Sorry.
You better put a notch either. Put a band-aid.
There you go.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and don't just drill in, like move it side to side just so you have a play area, so when you put it up it's a little bit easier for you. So we already pre-made a hole here, we're just gonna go sideways. Go ahead and use the bolts and nuts.
Motherfucker.
What?
Your elbow hit me straight in the ear.
Not even, motherfucker, how am I supposed to know?
You seen on my.
Why is your ear there?
Hey, are you here at the end in the bloopers? For that extra support, we're gonna go ahead and add washers and self-tapping screws. Alright guys, so if you made it this very far to the video, I'm gonna ask a question at the end. Hold on. So we thought we were done. No, we're not. So we need the side fins. This is optional. You don't have to get it if you only get the centerpiece. We're gonna use another bolt and nut in here. So we just went ahead and did the same process. Place it wherever you would like. We used a pointy drill bit so we can mark the hole.
It's a little bit tight space, but
You can mark it.
you look for the hole right there, and then
We'll mark it.
There you go. Now you got it. And you just take it out and that's it.
So if your car is made right, you should have the same pre-existing hole on each side. So we're just gonna flip it over and use our pre-made hole and drill in. So now we're just gonna go ahead and place the fin in place. You could put the fin however you like. If you put it slanted like this, it will look straight on the car. If you put it straight, it's gonna look slanted on the car. But if you got a fancy, trim color, you're gonna be able to straight up see that. So like I said, you're going to be placing both fins at the same way, so we're just going to go ahead and replicate these holes on here.
I'm putting the bracket with the screw and the nut. As so.
Whoa, who's baby?
Wait, why is my phone ringing? Oh shit, it actually is. What the fuck?
Oh, baby girl. Wait, what? Alright, so now we're just gonna go ahead and pinpoint the spots where you want to go ahead and do the holes to your fin. So now we're just gonna assemble the fins to the side plate with the same thing, bolts and nuts. So the end product should look like this. Well, it doesn't have to. Like I said, it is optional how you want to place your fins. But this is what we're going with.
I know how.
This is how you get more torque.
Oh shit.
Human torque.
Alright, I think it's set.
So the biggest important part is that you get your Vicrez symbol on there. This is also our gloss white vinyl, and we could leave our link below for that. That's it. Alright guys, so we officially have finished the installation on VZ102171 with our white trim and our super matte black vinyl. So underneath the video we're gonna leave you all the links to all the parts that the car has. Like I mentioned before, it has a Redeye spoiler, has our Redeye wicker bill, our rear louvers, quarter louvers, our wide body wheels, Redeye, our wide body kit. Of course, if you go to the front, you're going to see our Demon bumper. As mentioned before, if you do join, or if you do want to join our car club, all you have to do is buy a front decal or your windshield and join. Send us your picture, tag us on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you like. Let us know you have it on and you're in.
And if you're close to the area, come in, just ask for a decal. Order it online. Come for the decal if you want. And don't forget, we got the steering wheel right here.
Alright, so we got here our forged carbon steering wheel LED with our forged carbon inlay and black Alcantara with black stitching. Remember, you could get it custom made to whatever color you want, any finish you want, meaning honeycomb, super matte, gloss carbon, anything you really want, we could make it. Even if you want the whole steering wheel in leather, we can make that. Just let us know if you have any questions, concerns. Also, our video installation is on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, join our Facebook groups, share your images to be featured, and let us know in the comments below how we did. A lot of you guys have been asking about the mud flaps install on the wide body, so we'll make sure that our next video will be about our wide body mud flaps installed on the Charger and the Challenger. So extra tips, our Vicrez wide body wheels are negative 2.5 offset. They do come in a matte finish, but you could always get that power coated anywhere you like. We do offer them with the same face in 2-piece, 3-piece, custom made in any color you would like, any offset you would like. So we will be making a video install on the Charger showing how the fitment is, because it's a little bit different since this is a SXT. Our wheel space is a little bit different than on a Scat pack or an SRT.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah. Ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with all that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Made $1 million and I can't go back. Got a lot of jewelry on me, man, you can't hold.
Okay guys, so I did say on the video to stay tuned to the end, because I did want you to go ahead and mention who invented the drill.
Yeah.
So if you do go ahead and mention who is the person that invented that, the first comment to get that right is going to get about $50 in store credit. So make sure you're the first one to comment that, because if you do, you got $50 in your store credit to spend at vicrez.com.
First comment. Nothing else. Not second, not third. First comment.
Cheers, guys.
Oh, remember, email, DM us on Vicrez so we know who's a winner.
Women?
Winner! Winner!
No, it has to be the first comment on the YouTube channel.
Okay, erase that part. First, remember you guys, first comment on the YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. And don't forget, we also have a Facebook page and a group.
So cheers to 5,000 and help us to keep going on YouTube, because we do greatly appreciate it. Any advice, any comment, good or bad, we appreciate it. So just let us know in the comments below.